Have you ever been in a yoga class where the teacher calls for an Om either at the beginning or at the end of class, and you feel a little shy or a little hesitant? I so resonate with you. I've been there before, and I'm so glad you found your way to this video. I used to be really shy and hesitant when I would give out any sort of Om, and sometimes I wouldn't even Om because I don't feel confident in it. And over time, I have practiced, and I wanted to share what I have done at home that got me to a more confident Om. I am now at this place where I did a sound bath the other day, and it was a very small class of like 5 people plus the teacher. And at the end of the class, we were told to sit up, put our hands to our heart center, and Om together. And I Om'd the way I normally do, and at the end of it, people turned around, and even the teacher called out the fact that, like, wow, you have such a powerful Om. And it just reminded me that I've come a long way when it comes to my Om, because it wasn't always that way. So I wanted to share what I did, and it's quite simple. The most important thing for me was making sure I was home alone. If there's someone around or I know that someone could potentially hear me, I would get really shy. So the only way I was able to really gain confidence is by practicing home alone. What inched me towards that was my at-home yoga practice. When I would watch a YouTube teacher in an at-home yoga practice and they would call for an Om, that's the first time I really got to experience Oming by myself and not being worried about what other people think. So we're gonna do that now. I hope you're home alone. That is such an important piece of this. All we're gonna do is practice and notice and practice again. My goal for this is by the end of the video, by the end of this practice we're about to do, you're gonna feel more confident in future Oms, in person or alone. I find Oms to be such a beautiful expression, the vibration that comes from it, the feelings that you get from it, especially when you're doing it with other people, but even alone, there are so many benefits to it. So aside from, the confidence that you'll gain in your Om through this video, I hope you also feel the benefits of it when you are doing it in this more powerful way. So all we're gonna do is practice together. So bring your hands to heart center, and we're gonna practice 5 Oms together. And we're gonna make it a goal to progressively get more confident and more powerful in our Oms. So let's say that together now. Close your eyes and say, I am here to get more confident in my Om, and I know I can do this. I know I have it in me, and I'm going to do it today. All right, let's practice our first Om. And breathe out through your nose all the way, and then we're going to take a deep breath in, and we're going to Om. So out through the nose, in through the nose, and Om. Just notice and observe what came up for you now that you've completed that first Om. How was it in comparison to Oms you've done before? Are you judging it? Are you worried about whatever note that came out in the Om that it didn't match mine? Let's put those judgments and critiques aside. And remember that this is the universal sound of Om, and it's all about however it comes out of your body, out of your mouth, out of your throat chakra. And the way it comes out for you is perfect. Let's go into the second one. Breathe out through the mouth, and then breathe in through the nose. And feel confident in this Om. Let's go. Sit quietly with that and observe. I can feel my heart beating against my thumbs, up against my chest. It feels so nice. What are you noticing about yourself? What's coming up for you? There's nothing to be shy about. You are alone practicing You're here for a reason. You want to get good at this, so let's get good at this. Let's do our third Om. Breathe out all the way, expel all your air through the mouth. And then breathe in all the way through the nose. And let's Om. I used to get nervous when my voice would not sound perfect at the end like that one. And now it doesn't matter anymore because I feel so confident in it. It's not about judging or having it be perfect. It's about experiencing that vibration. So let's do 2 more Oms. And let's make it a point to get better and better. Let's remove the blocks, whatever is holding us back. Let's break through that with our Om. So breathe out through the mouth all the way. And then when you breathe in through the nose this time, almost do like a yell, like don't hold back. And I'm gonna try it this time just like that. So breathe out through the mouth, in through the nose, and let's Om together. How did that feel? I'm proud of you for making progress here and going all the way till this last and final Om. Let's make it our best. Sit in your confidence, sit in your knowing that you have it in you and that this is good for you and that you'll be able to carry this with you into the future, and it's going to be so good. All right, let's breathe out all the way through the mouth. And let's breathe in through the nose, and let's Om together one final time. Wonderful, wonderful work. Slowly open your eyes. Feel free to release your hands. And I'm feeling, my eyes were closed that whole time, and I'm feeling really grateful now that I'm opening my eyes to the world again and realizing we just did this together. You did it all the way through. You followed my guidance, which means so much to me. I hope it was helpful. I would love to know in the comments how you feel by the last Om. Anything that came up for you, anything that you think was helpful in the way you did it that you could share with other people, please do share. I want us to have a collective confidence around our Oms, and I'm not the end-all be-all, so you might have some good ideas. I would love to hear them in the comments and for us to share with other people as well. So thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. Hope it was beneficial, and I'll see you in the next one.